Can you blow my whistle, baby?
Hello from Estonia, my name is Elina and I'm the captain of our team. We just wanted to thank you for all your votes and support. It was a real pleasure for us to participate in this kind of contest. It was really fun to record the song and the video clip. I hope with some of you guys we'll meet next year. Thank you to all participants. Your video clips are great. And by the way, this statue is really heavy. See you! Bye!
Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together